Okay, today we've got a op-amp version of a Big Muff Pi on the breadboard. We've got a patch set up that is basically got a square wave LFO that is feeding a clock. We've got that split out into a couple of different things over here to run a couple of step sequencers. Both of the outputs of two step sequencers are being combined together and then fed as a CV into a sine wave oscillator. From here, it's going into a VCA that we're opening and closing with an ADSR, and we're hearing that now. Pretty plain Jane. And then if we run that through the fuzz circuit, we get this. Up on the scope here, the red signal is the original sine wave and the green is the distorted sound. Here I'm just adjusting the input level going into the circuit. And here I'm going to adjust the tone. And here I'm going to adjust the sustain. Bringing some tone back in.